guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing Blake's 6-month update. Excuse my outfit. I'm at home, it's New Year's Eve day, and I am going to get dressed up later to go out with my husband, but for right now, here, I'll zoom you guys in a bit. For right now, I just want to be comfortable before I have to go out later tonight. So the little missus is just on the floor here. I'll show you in a second. She's doing her tell me time, and she's got her little Minnie Mouse. Yeah, say hi. She's like, I'm busy playing, Mom. So Blake is 6 months old in a week. So next week on January 7th, she will be 6 months old. And I weighed her yesterday and I measured her, and she's only like just 16 pounds and she's 27 inches long. And so she's in the 50th percentile still for height and weight. And when I was, because I found my mom had my baby book and she gave it to me, and we looked in that the other day, and when I was her age, I was 18 pounds 7 ounces and I was 28 inches long. So I was bigger than her and I was not a big baby. So she's just a little thing. Like, I don't think she's gonna be like overly tall or anything like that. I thought because I'm 5'8" and Colin's 6 feet, she would be tall, but then my cousin is, her mom's 5'9" and her dad is 6 feet and she's only 5'6". So I think that's going to be the case with the missus. I don't think she's going to be super tall, maybe like 5'7" or something. I don't really know, but yeah, she's just a little peanut, and she's still in size 2 diapers, so she's not very big at all. If you guys watch my vlogs, you know that she loves her Jolly Jumper. We got it for my baby shower, and I have it on like a stand, and she goes in that and she absolutely loves it. She's in size 6 to 9 month clothing or 9-month clothing depending on the company. Carter's fits stupidly small, so she's a 9-month at Carter's, but like Old Navy and Walmart and stuff like that, she's either 6 to 9 or 6 to 12. So yeah, the 6 to 12 is a little big on her, but that's okay. So yeah, her hair is still coming in. I will show you her in a minute as soon as but she's playing right now. Her hair is getting lighter and lighter. I think she's gonna be kind of like a light blonde. A lot of the red has kind of gone out of it, but I'll show you guys that. Her eyes are still very blue. I'm not sure if they're going to be more my color or my husband's color. He has like baby blue eyes, like the lightest blue eyes you've ever seen in your life, where mine are more dark and have a bit of green, where hers are pure blue. Like, they don't have any green, any other color, they're just blue, and they're beautiful. So there's that. She can't sit up on her own just yet. She can sit up with assistance, but yeah, she can't sit up on her own. She can fully roll. She holds herself up by herself in her little bouncer, and yeah, she's really strong, like with her tummy, like her tummy time and her neck and stuff like that. But she can't sit up by herself yet. We wrapped up her swimming classes about a month ago, so I do want to start up some more swimming classes for her maybe in the new year, because I think it's really important to get babies into that habit really early, because then they won't have a fear of water and they'll just be like natural swimmers. In terms of her sleep, she sleeps only on her stomach or her side. She's not a back sleeper at all. Once she figured out she could roll, that's all she wants to do is roll onto her side or onto her stomach to sleep. Oh, honey, here's your Mimi. And she does, like, she sleeps on her stomach. Hi! We have started night weaning, so I weaned her off of her first feed. Like, I'd put her down, her typical bedtime's between 6 and 6:30, sometimes as early as 5:30, depending on when she wakes up from her naps. And she used to wake up to eat between 8:30 and 9:30, and then 1 a.m., and then 4 a.m., and then she'd be up for the day at 7. Now I've weaned out the first feed, and last night was the first night in forever that she didn't cry. So I put her down at 6, and I didn't hear from her till 2 in the morning. So that was 8 straight hours, which thank God, I was so happy. So I fed her at 2 a.m. and then she woke up at 6 a.m. Yeah, and then I fed her at 6, and then she got up at 8. So yeah, it was really good. So basically what I did with that, I'll do a separate video because it's too much to explain, but it's just like a gradual weaning, so I don't cut like cold turkey, cut out her feeds, but I have just kind of started cutting out. Instead of 3, we're down to 2, and then 2 will be down to 1. So that's kind of the way that I'm comfortable with. I didn't want to just stop feeding her altogether because I don't want to like shock her or anything. So, so yeah, she's doing really well with that. She still does 2 naps a day. I think we're going to wean out the 3rd because typically now she just won't go down for her 3rd nap. And last night I didn't put her down for her 3rd nap and she slept better. So I think that she just doesn't need her 3rd nap anymore. But she'll go down around 9:30 for her first nap, sleep anywhere from 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Her next nap's around 12:30, 1 o'clock, and she'll sleep about 1 hour, 1.5 hours. And then she goes to bed. Usually she's in bed at 6 o'clock. So that's her schedule. She is eating a couple solid foods. She gets rice cereal now twice a day. I gave it to her, or my mom did, in the evening last night, and she slept longer. So we're giving her rice cereal twice a day, and I'm giving her a baby food. So she gets 2 ounces of baby food a day, and she gets about another 2 ounces of rice cereal a day. So she's getting like 4 ounces a day plus breastfeeding every 2 hours. So I do think that that helps with her sleeping better at night and longer naps. Yeah, and for baby food, I'll either buy organic baby food at the store because it's 88 cents and it's organic, like it's not a big deal. Or the other day I didn't have baby food and I didn't feel like going to the store, so I just peeled a few organic carrots and I put a bit of breast milk in that and blended it up, and that made enough for a couple days. So she's been eating carrots this week, and then next week I have sweet potato in the fridge, so I'm going to do sweet potato, and then I'm going to get her on avocado and some apple, and I'll get some fruit and stuff, but right now she's on carrot. Now I will say that the rice cereal does constipate her a little bit. She still goes to the bathroom, like she still does a bowel movement every day, but it's split up into a couple like smaller, more solid movements as opposed to like one big runny mess. So, so that's that. Say hi, baby. So she's, yeah, 16 pounds. She's not very big. Like I said, she's 50th percentile. Look at, I'm trying to get her to see herself. Blakey, look. There she is. So she's, I mean, she's not a big, big baby whatsoever. But yeah, she loves her Jolly Jumper. She gets a bath every night still because that's just like sorry, I have a cold. It's winter. Like my nose runs. She still gets a bath every single night. She laughs her head off at my parents, and like she will laugh at me. She's so much more fun. Like if you guys have a 1 month old or a 2 month old and you're like, oh my god, this is so difficult, the 6 month mark is when, or 5.5 is when they start to get really fun. She's so much fun. She's so much happier. She's just fine to like lay down, roll around, and like play. Yeah, she wants to play, so I'm gonna put her down. And it's just a good age. Like it's a fun age. And I've heard, there you go, that it's only going to get more and more fun. Minnie! She had a really good Christmas. She got lots of clothes and stuff like that. But she is still really bad with strangers. She's going through the stranger danger phase. And not even strangers, like she's still, my mother-in-law has babysat her a couple times, and she saw her at Christmas and Thanksgiving, and about once every 2 weeks, I guess they'll have a small visit, and even still, she sees her and she'll start to cry. So she's not very good, like, unless she consistently sees people almost every day, she's not really that good with them. It takes her a while to warm up, but then like at Christmas she cried at first, and then after she had a nap I put her on my mother-in-law's lap and she sat there perfectly fine for like half an hour. So it just depends, but she's not very good with strangers or people that she doesn't see on the daily, like me and Colin, and she's 100% fine with my parents because she sees them every day, so pretty much every single day. So there's that. She's still teething. She gnaws on everything and she drools a lot, but she doesn't have any teeth. I don't see any coming. I don't feel any coming. So there's that. And I did make her a little shadow box. I just want to show you. So I got this shadow box on Amazon, and it was like $12. So it doesn't have, yeah, it doesn't have like an address or anything. It just says the hospital that she was born at. But I just put her baby picture in this little flower thing. That's her hospital card. And then that's her bracelet that was on her ankle. And that's her other little bracelet. So I just thought that was really cute. And I could put that, yeah, she's kicking her feet. I could put that, I'm going to get Colin to hang it in her room, along with some other pictures. She does have a baby book that I write everything down in, like when she smiled, when she laughed, what she's eating, how much she weighs, and I put pictures in there too. So I got it from Walmart. It's really cute. And yeah, she's honestly so much fun right now. Like, this is the time in even Colin's, well, Colin and my life, my husband, that where like she is so much fun. Like, now I understand why people have more than one baby, because it's like, I want another one because she's so fun. Not yet, although I might be pregnant, but that's another story. Yeah, but she's so much fun and she's so cute. She's just the love of my life. And she's very interested in like if I clap my hands or I do itsy bitsy spider, she reaches out to touch. She's in the stage of like grabbing my face and like wants to touch my face, and I love that part. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And she coos and she laughs. But yeah, we're still not sitting up yet, but she will soon. Or she might be a late bloomer like me. I didn't walk till I was 14 months and I didn't crawl till 8 months. So she can't crawl yet. And she can't sit up on her own just yet, but eventually she will. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for her 7-month update. And yeah, I love you guys, and can we say goodbye? I'm just trying to scoop my booty. Blakey, look. Oh, look at the camera. And yeah, she still is like my little mini me. You say bye? Say bye. Say bye. You're so cute. Anyways, bye guys.